Hello, I'm Brian from theballoondodder.co.uk. Today we're going to be learning how to make a table decoration using the kit listed on our website. This display only requires 16 balloons to make, 8 of each colour. We have provided some spares in case of any accidents. The next step is to blow up all the balloons to the same size. We're going to be blowing up our balloons to 4 inches. To make things simpler, we have created a template out of a cardboard box with a 4-inch square cut out of the centre of it. To help us blow up the balloons, we're going to use our own balloon pump which you can purchase from our store. Take the balloon and blow it up. Insert it into the box and let out some air until the balloon passes through the hole. Then tie a knot. Repeat this step with all 16 balloons. Next we're going to need to make a balloon weight. All we've done was simply took one of our spare balloons and filled it up with water and then tied a knot in it. This will help prevent the table display from moving around. Now that you have all the balloons blown up, the next stage is to join 2 of the same colour balloons together to make one. This is how to do it. Take 2 single balloons, put them together, and then twist round with one of them and then tie a knot. Then that's you join 2 balloons. The next step is to take our balloons and join them together to create a section like this. Take your two balloons, put them together in a crisscross and push in, then take a red and a black and twist twice. And that's you created your section. Now that you have created your sections, take one of them and this will become your base. All we've done is took our longest piece of string and attached it to our weight. Place the weight in the centre of the 4 and then take your string and pull it round and then tie a knot. Next, take your next layer and place it on so as that you've got the column starting. Take your string and wrap it round the top layer and then down to the bottom. Then pull tight. The next step is again to take your next layer and place it on your column so as that the spiral goes the correct way. Again, take your string and wrap it around the top layer, go down one layer and wrap it around the next, and pull it. Take your last layer and again place it in the column so that your spiral is going the correct way. Take your string, wrap it around the top one, going down one layer and wrapping it around again. And pulling it tight. So what you want to do is now tie a knot onto your balloons to finish it off. Pull tight and then just cut off the excess. That's you created your column and your 18-inch foil balloon will sit on top. The next step is to blow up our 18-inch foil balloon. Carefully remove the balloon from the packaging. Then unwrap the balloon. To blow up the balloon, we recommend using our balloon pump, which you can purchase from our store. If you don't have a balloon pump, you will need to use a straw or the end of a pen to be able to blow up the balloon. take the blowing pump and insert, you will see a valve. Insert the blowing pump up or your straw and then carefully blow up the balloon. It's important not to overfill the balloon. The balloon in the centre should be firm and there should be some wrinkles around the edge. So maybe a few more pumps for this balloon. That seems about right now. You don't need to worry about tying the actual balloon as there is a self-sealing valve in it. The next step is to take a modern balloon and attach it to the base of the 18-inch foil balloon. Tie a tight knot in it. Then just do another one just to be on the safe side. Just cut off the end of the balloon, the modern balloon, to make it nice and neat. Then what you want to do is put the 18-inch foil balloon in the centre, pull out your modelling balloon and wrap it round the first layer. And that should keep it in place, and then pull it tight again and then go down to the second layer and wrap it round. And just continue down to the bottom, wrapping around each layer as you go. Then do a few wraps on the bottom of the balloon and then tie a knot and then cut the excess off. And there you have it, one complete table display. Additionally, we have provided extra lengths of ribbon for you to curl to decorate the balloon. To curl your ribbon, simply take your scissors, carefully take the length of ribbon and pull sharply over, and this will curl your ribbon for you. Like so. Then all you need to do is then place the ribbon round one of the balloons and then down and just let go. Then that's you decorated your balloon.